Yo, what's up guys? Back with another video for this beautiful Saturday, and this time it's a sound bit for the Axleback exhaust, Axleback Corsa exhaust for the C5 Corvette.
Yep, we're about to show you what it's like to live with this thing with some good mic quality.
This time we'll be using the DSLR mic.
Yeah,
but
the Rode mic.
Yeah, the Rode mic. But we will have the Shure mic videos in the near future.
Yeah, so we got the install done. Now we're just going to show you how it sounds on this bad boy.
Yep,
and you got it.
What Corsa exhaust is this? The Extreme? Or?
Yeah, it's a Corsa Extreme, not Sport.
Yep, and this just the Axleback. No X-pipe, just the Axleback with the stock H-pipe on it.
Yep, that is true.
So, we're going to start it up, show you a good old warm start, then we're going to give you some revs, 2, 4, and 6, and then a red line, and then we'll go out to the streets and show you some flybys and whatnot. So, here's what the car sounds like with a warm start. Pretty nice, pretty nice. And then here's the revs, 2, 4, 6, and then the red line. So yeah, it's very loud and sounds very nice.
It does sound very nice.
We're gonna go for some flybys. So this is the 246 in the cabin.
Goes a little higher, but
and then this is what an acceleration sounds from the inside with the windows down.
as well.
Sure. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to get some flybys, and I'm going to stand right over there while he flies by. Alright, so now we're on the outside, he's about to take off, and we're about to hear some flybys, our cue. Alright, so now we're back in the cabin, and this is what it sounds like with the windows up. And we're not just doing acceleration, man's about to do something special.
Yeah, you already know. That's traction
on.
I'm about to do it with traction off this time. And in gear. 2 fails in a row.
So as you guys can see, it's not too loud when you're not on it, but when you get on it, it's loud as shit.
Yeah, exactly. That rev limiter sounds pretty heavenly from here.
Yep, so now we're going to go back to our place of residence, maybe.
Yeah.
And we'll see you. So we're back at man's place of residence.
Yep.
Maybe, might be in Mexico, might not be. But we're back from Mexico, that's for sure.
Yeah.
So that was the exhaust video.
We just got back from Mexico.
Yeah.
And I hope you enjoyed that little exhaust clip right there.
We'll add a little spicy, like a secret clip at the end or the beginning of this video. Who knows?
Just to clickbait. Well, it's not even clickbait because it's real.
Yeah, it happened. Yeah. It's just something cool that we kind of want to show you guys that we didn't really explain during the video, but we filmed it before this video.
Yeah.
But yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed the sounds of this beautiful Corsa Extreme Axleback only, not mid xpipe.
Yep.
And we'll see ya
In the next one.
Gotta do something funny. Good. Go.